Hello and welcome to another session of Gearing Up for 21st of June 2020, the International Yoga Day. As you're aware, in these sessions, we are covering the yoga practices as outlined in the Common Yoga Protocol. And in today's session, we will be learning the sitting postures. So let's get started. Come to a seated position. The first asana in the sitting postures is Bhadra Asana, the firm posture. So you will sit with your legs stretched forward. Slowly join the soles of both the feet and bring your feet closer to your body, as close as you can bring. Now interlock your fingers and clasp your hands around the toes and try to bring your thighs closer to the floor and sit up straight. This is Bhadra Asana. We will sit in this posture for 10 to 30 breaths. And then slowly with an inhalation, release your feet, stretch your legs forward, place your palms behind, and just relax yourself. The next asana in the sitting postures is Ardha Ushtrasana. So you will begin with your legs stretched forward. Slowly bend your right leg at the knee and place it under your hip. Then bend your left leg at the knee and place it under your hip. So you're sitting in Vajrasana now. From here, you will come on your knees. Keep a little gap between your knees. Place your palms behind on your waist. Fingers are pointing downwards. With an inhalation, bend backwards and drop your head back. Hold for a few breaths. And then with an inhalation, come back to center. Sit back on your calf muscles. The next asana in the sitting postures is Shashankasana. So you will start with your legs stretched in front of you. Slowly bend your right leg at the knee and place it under your hips. Or fold your left leg at the knee and place it under your hips. So now you're sitting in Vajrasana. Now slowly open your legs, open your knees wide. And from here, you will extend your body forward. Stretch your arms in front of you. You can place your forehead on the ground and completely relax in this posture. This is Shashankasana. Helps in relaxing the body and good for releasing any tensions and stress. Slowly with an inhalation, lift your head and your chest. Bring your arms back. Slowly release your legs forward. And then place your hands behind and relax. The last asana in the sitting postures is Vakrasana, or the spinal twist. So you will start with your legs stretched in front of you. Sit up straight. Feet are together, legs are together. Now bend your right leg at the knee and place your right foot alongside the left knee. Now place your right palm behind, just behind the back. Back is straight. Palm is placed closer to the back. With an inhalation, stretch up your left arm. Twist towards the right side and wrap your left arm around the right leg. Catch hold of the right ankle. If you're not able to catch hold of the right ankle, you can also keep your arm like this. Now further, twist yourself towards the right and look back over your right shoulder. Hold the posture for 10 to 30 breaths. Then with an inhalation, first look in front, then release your arms, and then release your leg. We will repeat on the left side. First sit with your legs stretched in front of you. Now bend your left leg at the knee. Place your left foot alongside the right knee. Place your left palm behind, closer to your back. Back is straight. With an inhalation, stretch up your right arm, twist towards the left side, wrap your right arm around the left leg, and try to catch hold of the left ankle. Or you can just keep your arm like this. With further exhalation, twist further and look back over your left shoulder. Hold this posture for 10 to 30 breaths. Then with an inhalation, first look in front, then release your arms, and then release your legs. You can place your palms behind and just relax yourself. With this, we have come to the end of today's session. I hope you enjoyed learning these asanas with us as much as we enjoyed teaching you. I hope to see you again in the next session, wherein we will be covering the rest of the practices. Until then, stay happy and stay safe.